I hate you ever pick these photos. Hello! Hi! Say hi. Hello! Hello! Welcome to the Nina Jose Kiambao Facebook page. And today we are gonna go do something very fun. For me, it's fun. And today, I think we are gonna go look at my previous pictures and yung mga past pictures, and we'll see and look back kung ano mga reaction ko sa kanila. Because yung mga pictures ko, karamihan ng pictures ko is parang nakalimutan ko na, hindi ko alam bakit, pero parang ginanon ko na sa mind ko, parang in-erase ko na. So ngayon, magbabalik tanaw tayo sa mga nakaraan ko. So let's go! The photos. So I'm eating lang again, guys, kasi you know me, I love eating. Okay. Is that the first picture? Tonyo, look at mama. Okay, this first picture. This picture was when I was 16 years old. It is one of the first layouts of Pinoy Big Brother, and ito yung mga profile picture namin, and ito yun, isa sa mga picture ko sa Big Brother. And ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-hate kong pictures. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yan yung linagay na picture, dahil may gusto naman akong picture, pero yan na linagay. So kitang-kita nyo naman, 2006 to, yung mga ganyang poncho, and feeling ko bumabalik siya sa uso ulit. So yan. So alam nyo, peace. I'm always for peace. So peace. Nakakaloka ka, Ate Bonnie. Yung mga, feeling ko linagay niya talaga yung grade 7 ko, nalaloka ako. Yung sabi ko, never ko ipapakita to anyone. Pero, oh my gosh, I think linagay niya dyan. Okay. Okay, yan again, this is Big Brother. It's part of the, kasi nung time na yon, yung time ng pictorial na to, nasa school pa ako, nasa Assumption, and graduating pa lang ako. And sa school kasi namin, bawal ang commercial, bawal mag-appear on print ads, bawal yung mga TV exposure, ganyan. So ito parang out of the blue lang to. And kami na yung mga top na nakasama. So kami yung may mga choice. Yes, sweetheart.
You know, Lola said to me and Kuya that we're going to the beach on this Friday.
Oh, where?
In the beach.
In the beach? Who said? No. No. Mama said no. So, this one, okay, ito yung mga pictures ng mga top finalists. And we didn't know each other. Hindi ko alam na kasama ko si Kim, hindi ko alam na kasama ko si ganito, si Gerald, si Fred, sina Aldred, hindi ko alam. Kanya-kanya, hidden kami, kanya-kanya kaming timing, ganyan. And then, ito yung picture ko. Wala lang, yan yung picture ko. Hindi ko alam. Kasi yan yun. And then, ika-cut kayo to top ganito, top ganyan. Hanggang sa top 12, isa ako sa mga napiling top 12 na talagang, for me, yung pinagdaanan ko na yun, I think it's destiny talaga. Kasi wala naman talaga sa plans ko sa buhay na mag-artista ako or whatever. It's just that, nagkataon lang and for fun, seryoso, for fun lang. I was gonna take my chances because at that time, di ba, I told you, my lolo died and we were having financial difficulties. It was either I was gonna be a flight attendant. I was thinking of those things already, like at that age. Kasi since kinukuha naman ako, it's either that or for fun lang. I just tried it out and I don't know, it's really my path because God placed me there. Out of the thousands of teenagers who auditioned, I was one of the chosen ones. So, there, it's destiny. Ah! Sorry, that's Shelly. Oh my God! Eggy! Lumilipad si Eggy, Nay. Eggy. One of these days, may tiger na dito. So, oy, jungle talaga dito. Sa labas may ahas. I'm not joking. May ahas. Nakita sila Kuya Port. So, talagang, it's a jungle out here. It's a jungle. And you know, sorry. So, this picture, I think this picture, see, talagang ini-erase ko yung mga past pictures ko. This picture, yes, sweetheart, look, he went there to his house. Come here, look at mama. Come. So, Poca, look at this, oh. My hair there is not even like orange like kanina, di ba? Anyway, I think this was for a teleserye na see, even the things that I did before, medyo nakalimutan ko na yung mga shows, nakalimutan ko yung title. If I'm not mistaken, this was in a teleserye na I was with Maha Salvador and Coco Martin. That was that teleserye, mga, I think 2010. I forgot what it's called, pero that's the one. And I forgot my character's name, I forgot the story. I'm very, parang pag, siguro kasi, I wanna be honest, before, hindi ko talaga passion na maging artista. Parang, napipilitan lang ako. Sorry, pero, hindi ko lang alam bakit. Pero yun yung feeling ko before. And, kaya siguro nakalimutan ko na yung mga pinaggagawa ko before. Kasi, feeling ko napipilitan lang ako. Hindi siya kumbaga, hindi ko siya passion. And very empty ako dyan. Very empty ako dyan. Yes. Oh, looking back. Okay, puro PBB ang mga pictures ha. This one naman is the third. Parte siya nung layout ng mga PBB pictorial ko. No, yun. Tapos itong gown na to, my gosh, naalala ko yung gown na yan, biglaan lang yan na binili namin sa Glorieta ni Mami. Na nakalimutan ko na kung anong store, pero yung gown na yan, yung gown na yan. Gosh, ang bata ko pa. Okay, this one, see, tinan niyo itsura ko. I don't look happy talaga eh. Oh. No, sorry ah. This was for a show, parang nasa mall show ka, for the show Only Hope. Yung character ko doon sa Only Hope, kasama ko doon sina Kim, si Gerald, si Alex Gonzaga, marami pang iba. And I was an Enchong, I think. I was playing two characters there. I was a twin. Basta yung isang twin, Ashley. Yung isa, I forgot the name. This twin, she was bipolar. And basta sa Boracay yun. Tapos sobrang nakaganon ako. Ganyan. So, yun lang. Mall show yan. Mall show. Okay. Same mall show, ganyan. And as you can see, payat pa ako. So, yun. Payat pa ako niyan. And, yun. Mall show yan. I just forgot where. Pero it was for the TV show My Only Hope. Yun. Saan to? Who is getting these pictures? Oh my gosh! I forgot, honestly, where I wore this. Oh my gosh, but I'm so thin. Yeah. So, this picture, I forgot where I wore it, but okay, I just wanna share, yung mga panahon na yan siguro, yan yung mga panahon na feeling ko ang taba ko, pero yun pala ang payat ko. Parang may ganun ako eh, parang feeling ko noon na, up to now, ganun, ang taba-taba ko. Alam mo guys, sobrang feeling ko before, yung mga ganyan lagay ko, nagpa-liposuction ako 2 times, ganun, parang hindi tama. So, this one is for the premiere night of Tarot. Ayun o, kita ko Marian Rivera. And then, I think this is a commentary about me. So, I was very thin then dyan. Kakaiba talaga ang arrive ko. Sana ngayon, kakaiba pa rin ang arrive ko. Anyway, yan, gusto ko yung dress ko dyan kasi very yung uso yung time na yun, mga bondage dresses. So, yan yung suot ko. Tapos yung necklace ko, ganyan lang. And then, share ko lang, no? Dati, hindi ako nagpapa-makeup sa ibang tao. So, kaya siguro hindi kasi may one time experience ako, may isang pictorial, minake-upan ako na maga ang face ko. So, na-trauma na ako. So, hindi ako nagpapa-makeup sa ibang tao. So, yan ang result. Pati hair ko, ganyan-ganyan lang. So, ang payat-payat ko. Nakakamiss. Okay. This is with Ate Marian. hindi pa talaga ako marunong mag-makeup, oh. Tingnan yung concealer and all. Alam nyo, ang ganda ng babaeng to. Sobra. As in, for me, she's the prettiest face in showbiz. It's really her. Kasi without makeup, she's simple lang. Ang ganda-ganda niya pa rin. And I think this is for a rehearsal for something. I forgot what, but I think it was an FHM show. So, yeah, that's the one. This one, ito yung nagalit si ate. So, itong show, kasi guys, alam nyo, kaya sobrang konti, hindi man konti, sobrang awkward ng karamihan ng pictures ko sa internet. Kasi hindi nga ako hindi, I'm a private person. So, yung lumalabas lang is whatever. And hindi ko nga na-check kung ano yung lumalabas or whatever. So, itong picture na to, I believe this was for a promo for Valiente. Valiente is siguro the most memorable TV show that I've ever done. It was premiered in TV5 and talagang I loved that show. I loved working with Nadine Samonte. She's one of my friends na. So anyway, that was for Valiente and that time siguro is one of the colorful years of my life. Aside from doing the Valiente, ikukwento ko lang, no, kasama ko lang talaga mami ko, tas PA ko, tas may driver. The drive kami back and forth sa Batangas. Alam mo yun, sobrang nakakapagod pero worth it. And favorite ko talaga yung Valiente kasi favorite director ko yung nakatrabaho ko, si Direk Joel Amangan. He's one of the most respected directors in our industry and favorite ko siyang director. Ang galing ni Direk Joel. And hindi ko makakalimutan yung show na minura niya, kasi si Direk Joel, kasi some directors, when they get pressured, nagmumura sila, di ba? Itong si Direk Joel, siya lang, lahat minumura niya in Tagalog. Ako lang ang minura niya in English. Hindi ko po makakalimutan yun. Hi, Direk Joel, but yeah. So, this was for Valiente. It was one of the most colorful years of my life, I would say. Oh my gosh, and I'm still so payat. Okay. This was for a show in TV5. See guys, I'm so awkward kasi nga hindi nga talaga ako sanay mag-bikini in public kasi nga may tiyan ako. Okay? Hindi talaga firm yung tiyan ko, bata pa ako. And naiilang ako, kaya ito hindi talaga ako happy. Isa sa mga parang sad ako niyan. I was not happy. So most of the pictures that I'm in, even if I'm smiling during those times, I wasn't really happy. Yeah, I was really parang pilit. I remember I was crying after. Kasi nga, yung mga kasama ko, sobrang confident sila kahit may mga tiyan sila. Ako hindi talaga. Very insecure ako, parang kumbaga, kinakahiya ko yung sarili ko. Ganun yung dating before. And ang lungkot ko niyan. Makakalimutan yan. Ito, oh my God, baka umiyak ako sa picture na yan. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. This is for 2010 New Year. It was the first time na I spent New Year not with my family. It was just me and my mom in the car kasi I had to work for New Year's Eve countdown. And I just remember it was New Year. It was, oh, I'm crying. I hate you. Whoever chose these pictures, I hate you. I spent New Year's in the car with my mom. Kami lang dalawa. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, very insecure akong tao. Kailangan ko magsuot ng mga ganyan. Kasi kailangan. Kasi yung image ko sexy, ganyan. You have to dance in front of a lot of people. Alam ko maraming tao ang gustong gawin yun. Ako lang sa sarili ko, napipilitan ako. Hindi talaga ako masaya niyan. And that time, I was in a relationship na not okay. So, it's the saddest New Year of my life. That one. I hate you whoever picked these photos. You really yeah, I'll never forget. Naiiyak ako hanggang ngayon. Sino ba pili nito?
Congrats, alam ko na lang.
No, it's okay. So anyway, this one was a photo shoot also for photographers. I remember, it was a group of photographers, and ito rin, I was really sad this time because it was one of the see, do you guys see the ones in my past? I was really sad, depressed. It was really sad. Ito, okay naman siya, masaya naman ako dyan, pero feeling ko lang talaga dati, pag nag-work ako pilit. So, yung mga sexy, ganyan, hindi talaga ako yun. Pero, sasabihin ng tao, ginusto mo yan. Yeah, kasi syempre, I have to work para mabuhay kami. Mabuhay ako siya mami ko. I just wanna, hear this out. My dad was he was helping us too, and we were trying to build up ourselves again because we had a financial crisis when my lolo died. Okay, being used to things, getting the things I want, being used to having no responsibilities. Ito yung mga parang, I think I was 23 here and my lolo died, I was 16. Ito yung mga times na parang nare-realize ko kung paano talaga ang buhay. Papasukan mo para mabuhay. It was me and my mom. Mabuhay kami ni mommy. Kasi syempre my dad is starting all over again. May help naman siya, pero kumbaga siguro makasalanan na rin namin siguro ng mommy ko kasi yung lifestyle standards namin masyadong mataas. We were used to that. So, yun. This was a pictorial. And all I can remember is these were one of the days na I was very sad also. I was very sad. This one, this FHM, I was with Poopy, si Hazel Ann. She's already a mom now. We still say hi, hello on Facebook. Hi, Poopy! Ito naman was my first time na mag-FHM kasi I was under new management. I was now under Direct Manny Valera, and ang gusto niya is kasi yung image ko nun sa Big Brother parang teeny bopper, ganyan, teenager, ganyan. Pero pagdating parang change na kasi I think 19 na ako or 20. Dapat ibang ako. So sexy. So kinuha kami for FHM, and ito, yan ang cover namin, and ang payat ko rin dyan. Pero guys, Photoshop yan ha. Dahil may chan nga ako okay. So, okay. This one was a photo shoot by si Kuya, the uncle of my niece Agatha, si Kuya Dexter de Gia. Ito naman, we decided to shoot lang for myself kasi idol ko nga si Audrey Hepburn and si Grace Kelly. And this is one of the photos, and I really like it kasi that's me. Kumbaga, that's me. It's a very classic lang, that's me, that's the real me. That one. And that was during the times na my life was very colorful and very happy, masaya. Ang dami kong pinagdaanan. Lahat naman ng tao, pero akin extreme ang mga pinagdaanan ko. Masasabi ko extreme ang mga pinagdaanan ko. And those were one of the moments na yun, masaya naman ako dyan kasi ako pumili niyan Layout ko, gusto ko, sabi ko, Kuya Dexter, gusto ko, siya si Ate Chel, gusto ko ganito, gusto ko ganyan. Hindi katulad ng mga ibang work mo na kailangan suotin mo to, kailangan ganito, kailangan ganito. Ito talagang me. So, happy ako dyan. Sa studio lang to. Okay, this one. I like this shoot also because this was for, I believe, I think this is for a movie called Aswang. So, we did this. It's under Regal Films. Hi, Mother Lily. Itong shoot na to, very artsy lang. I forgot sino nag-picture na to, pero nagustuhan ko to kasi it's very, hindi siya malaswa tingnan. And that's also one of my favorite movies na ginawa ko, Aswang, kasi I was part of. Kasi, mabait yung director, si Gerald Tarog, saka yung story okay naman, and yung character okay ko naman. And then yan yung mga times na years na feeling ko ang ganda ko kasi hindi ko alam bakit. Yun yung mga feeling ko ang ganda ko. So, okay, itong picture na to, ito pictorial ko to para sa kay Direk Manny Valera. Parang mga studio photos ko for profile pictures, portfolio ko for him. And I forgot when to ginawa eh. I really am sorry, but I really forgot. As you can see, that's not my clothes. Those are not my accessories because I will really not dress up that way. I just forgot when, and my hair is so poofed up, huh? It's so volumized, and I like this picture. I'm pretty there. I forgot who did it. Okay, this picture was for Valiente. Actually, Valiente is one of the most memorable ones kasi I was one of the lead characters there. And sa Batangas to shoot, and naka-boots pa ako niyan. And I like this picture. It's part of the years na colorful ang buhay ko. Colorful pa rin ngayon, pero colorful rin dyan, okay? Sa aswang to, pareho lang reaction ko sa kanina. Pero gusto ko yun. Okay. 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 Okay, may kwento to eh. Okay. Nakita niyo ba yung mukha ko dyan? Okay. Very malungkot ako niyan. Okay. May pinagdaanan yung katawan na yan. I broke up with someone and akala ko if I get really sexy, he will come back. Okay? So, I starved myself. I had liposuction even if I didn't need to. I starved myself for 2 months. As in, I wouldn't eat anything but green mango salad, yun lang. And then, nagba-Brazilian coffee ako. Masama yun. In the morning. Yun lang meal ko. Sobrang pumayat ako. Na-achieve ko nga yung katawan ko. Pero bumalik nga, pero he cheated on me again also. So, what's the point, right? So, I thought, mali kasi yung thinking ko niyan. I was like really 23 here. I thought, pag super gumanda ako, super pumayat ako, super sumexy ako, babalik siya, and titino na siya. Pero no. Yun, malungkot ako niyan. Yung mga ganyan, hindi ko gusto yung mga naglalakad in front of people. Lalo na ganyan yung suot ko. This is not really who I am, but circumstances and there. Pero I want to clear, there are rumors about me also before na I read on the internet, and people ask me if I accept indecent proposals or whatever. Okay, let me clarify this. Of course, there were indecent proposals, but I never, ever, ever accepted them. I never went on a date with anyone. I never slept with anyone just for the sake of money. So, hindi po totoo yan. Okay? So, yun. Okay. This picture, this was for the first FHM. I was really young. I was 19. And as you can see, I think a photographer nito is si Doc Marlon Pecco. Sa bahay niya to eh. Kami ni Pupi, diba? So, itong picture na to, I liked it kasi very chill lang siya, very lang siya, pero super pinotoshop ang tiyan ko dyan. Sobra. As you can see, sobrang flat niya dyan. And I told you, meron talaga akong tiyan. Meron akong baby fats kahit ng time na yan. This picture is also very memorable for me because it's one of the pinaka-memorable teleseries that I've done in ABS-CBN. It's called Mutya. And as you can see, ito naalala ko name ko. My name was Nerissa. Ang dami ko rin na-experience sa teleserye. Iiyak na naman ako. Yung mga times na yan, natutuwa lang ako. I can't believe na pinagdaanan ko. And I'm so blessed na marami rin akong trabaho nung time na to. Kasi sunod-sunod yan eh. May mutya, tapos next na mutya, may banana split. Kala kasi ng tao, pag artista ka, all glitz and glamour and anong saya. Hindi. Pag artista ka, wala kang oras. Yung oras mo nasa trabaho. Itong time na to, taping namin sa Batangas, call time namin mga 6 a.m. The next day, alam mo, nakakaiyak rin talaga kasi I can't believe pinagdaanan ko to. Kasi kami lang ng mami ko nito magkasama. MWF, sa Batangas kami, call time namin 6 a.m. Tapos, guys, minsan ng taping ko, di ba takot-takot, siguro kaya nagka-trauma ako sa araw. Hindi nakaganyan ako, di ba? Pero thankful ako kasi natuto ako mag-swimming na parang mermaid. Nasa bato lang ako, nakaganon, nakasama yung tail ko, gumaganyan-ganyan, nasa bato lang ako. Yung araw sa akin from 9 a.m. hanggang 4 p.m. And nandun lang ako. And then minsan pa ulit-ulit pa yon. And then swimming ka sa napakalamig na 12 midnight, swimming ka sa dagat na nakaganyan.